all I know, one way or the other, each and of I make a lot of positive impact on people's life, considering the fact now. For example, when they go and you shoot sometimes, you develop a very good message, pass a good message across with the song and the video also. And don't know when they care about when they watch these videos, it impacts them, impacts their lives also. And at the same time too, I go a lot of people in train on all and they have opportunity be the organic be the their own boss mago and make a living for themselves too. Anyway, a lot of things now fascinating man now watch all those videos at that time you get, because first of all now watch those things na TV now join how can these people say made these things. Sometimes if you find pictures na TV and all those things, the thing as in anyway can the things say man that period I wish onye ajuju all these things in terms of achieving good picture qualities, effect and so many other things like that. But again, because the business where what has anyway so many steps you need to follow before you motor case all these things. But more before channel you go have a bull camera on set and record the hand once like this, a broadcast here and a TV, and that is what we are watching. But then again, realizing anyway so many steps you need to follow before you achieve all that thing. Since that time, my life has never remained the same. That was a long time ago. So one particular day, I'm trying to shoot one of my songs. Jamie Tione shoot through the video and all those things. We did go up the too much, and in fact, I did a man food they gone before. So since that time, I shoot to do the video, but since that time, not had like this, not TV like this. Now for all these pictures, we just go see function at TV. Thing, and we go see him now. As in by then, we're these curious, like the level of my curiosity that time, the too much. So, and we decided and then get into this thing because that particular period we realized that we were passion for this job actually, you get. So ever since that time, I've been doing it till now. And a lot of challenges I need to face. And number one, ego. You check this thing of man. Yeah, there are a lot of your upcoming musicians, a lot of upcoming artists. Naturally, issue 2 videos every single day, and then when they go, they don't have the resources. How are the resources and all those things? And a lot of people who have these same resources, who join to her, invest in the music because how will believe that now this entertainment that they can make money from it. So actually solve this problem now. A lot of nding go on the resources. How you need to invest in these people. Of course, you need to invest into small businesses here and there. You invest on your choice, you get into music and all those things. And then the second challenge is location. I don't want good locations, especially in Lagos here, because you check if you know Lagos, if any name. And I don't want much locations like that, because then when some certain videos you actually shoot, you need to travel out of Lagos or traveling out of the country just to achieve it, and not the bad. All the bad. All the government in Waka, provide a particular structure so that if public nature you there, see nature shoot anything there. Of course, you need to go before you make anything here, and that way government will take go from there also. So now the challenges and also the solution. Other solutions there, but this is just my own. All right, opportunity now I know some different kind of ego, because every single day can do man send dream ego. I see this is my song, Genya. Then came one here and come up with a concept and all those things. So every part of the whole can enjoy, starting from the pre-production, production, and the post-production part. Planning, then you will be off. Then always I shoot the main video on set. I enjoy it also, you know. And then I love my crew members too. Then the editing part of farm, I can't catch up and like it because I'm working on my computer from now till next year. Even you know, now cut videos here and there and all those things. So I enjoy every bit of the whole. Ndiva Kenemono, Afambo Dr. Nell, album a Nigerian music video director, and I stand with the Nigerian youth.